Something is happening inside Meta's reality labs that Mark Zuckerberg doesn't want you to know yet. While you were busy exploring the mixed reality of the Quest 3, a secret project codenamed Pismo was already rewriting the future of your living room. We are standing at the edge of the biggest hardware shift in the history of the metaverse. This isn't just an upgrade. This isn't just a Quest 4. Internal memos, leaked prototypes, and a radical shift in Silicon Valley's power dynamics suggest that the headset you buy in 2026 will look nothing like the gray box currently sitting on your shelf. What if I told you that the controllers you love are being phased out? What if the very battery that makes your neck ache is being moved to a separate puck you clip to your waist? Today we are diving deep into the massive leaks, the secret prototypes, and the exact specifications of the Meta Quest 4. If you think the Apple Vision Pro was the peak of technology, you are about to be proven wrong. By the end of this video, you will understand why waiting for the Quest 4 might be the smartest, or the most frustrating, decision of your life. Don't blink, because the future of your reality is about to be rewritten. The jump from Quest 2 to Quest 3 was about clarity. The jump to Quest 4, it's about human connection. For years, we've been trapped behind lenses, looking into a digital world. The Quest 4 aims to bring that digital world into our physical space with a level of realism that borders on the uncanny. The biggest leak we've seen involves a dual model strategy. Internal sources call them Pismo High and Pismo Low. Meta has realized that one size no longer fits all. They want a version that replaces your laptop, and a version that stays the king of gaming. But there's a catch. The rumors of a Quest 4 name might actually be wrong. There is a strong movement within Meta to rebrand the entire lineup. Why? Because the Quest name carries the baggage of a gaming toy. Zuckerberg wants a spatial computer that rivals Apple, but at a price point that doesn't require a second mortgage. Let's talk about power. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2. That is the heart of this machine. We are looking at a 50% jump in GPU performance compared to the Quest 3. This means games that used to require a PC will now run natively on your face. But it's not just about the chip. It's about the eyes. Eye tracking and face tracking are finally coming to the standard model. No more pro exclusivity. Imagine playing a game where the world reacts to your gaze. If you look at an NPC, they look back. If you wink, they react. This is enabled by dynamic foveated rendering. The headset only renders what you are looking at in full 3.2K detail per eye, saving power and boosting performance where it matters. This is how Meta plans to crush the competition. They aren't just giving you better screens. They are giving you a more efficient way to see. Speaking of screens, OLED is back on the table. The deep blacks, the vibrant colors that LCDs simply cannot reproduce. There is a battle between micro OLED and high-end LCD with local dimming. If Meta pulls off a 3.2K Super Pancake display at an $800 price point, it is game over for every other manufacturer. The number one complaint about VR? It's too heavy. Meta's answer is the Aero design language. We are looking at a 20% reduction in weight. How? By moving the brains and the battery. Imagine a headset that feels like a pair of heavy ski goggles rather than a brick.